Carya has created a very exceptional team of therapists who are able to work with children and families with complex needs. They all are master's level therapists who've been pre-approved. Through this program, we work with families who are connected to children and family services who maybe need a little bit of extra support for counseling. And so we've created this group of therapists who have exceptional training working with children who've experienced trauma, families who are struggling with challenges such as addictions, domestic violence, issues with custody, times of transition. Our therapists work with a wide variety of kids and families on the things that they need help with. We are able to focus on the needs of the family and the children and to come up with goals that make sense and work well with families. Our clinicians work from a strength-based, trauma-informed lens, looking at building family resiliency and reducing risk factors. We know that children and youth who experience complex trauma often have special challenges and things that they need support in. A lot of our families will come with kids who have anxiety, depression, really young kids who need a lot of specific supports. And so our clinicians are able to tailor the needs to whatever that child and family are looking for. We are able to use cognitive behavioral therapy. We can use expressive arts therapy. We have a couple of clinicians who are trained in EMDR. We're able to use any sort of supports and services that would work well for that child and family. Carya has also run an adoption kinship counseling program for over 30 years. So we have a lot of knowledge and expertise in our programs to work with families who are struggling with different changes and different types of families. We work from different philosophies such as the circle of security, looking and focusing on attachment and helping families to repair those ruptures that may have happened between children and parents. Working from a strengths-based approach and helping families to discover their own resiliency through these different treatment modalities. So if you are thinking that you have a family that may benefit from being part of our R&E program, please know that we have a lot of experience working with kids in care. Most of the children that do come to our program that work with Children and Family Services are in care. And so our team is able to support those children wherever they're at, whoever they're with, be that a kinship, foster, adoptive, or with their bio parents. Carya has a lot of experience. We have a lot of therapists that can help cover a lot of diverse issues and needs for families, especially in terms of trauma and working from an attachment focused lens. It is kind of the thing that we definitely work well with and support families through. If you're interested in referring a family to our programs, please send an email to our email address for referrals, csreferrals@caryacalgary.ca, and we will be able to answer any questions, and we will also provide documentation for you to fill out. We'd like to know as much information as possible about the families so that we can make sure that we triage and assign the file to the correct therapist, somebody who would have the most experience working in those areas.